Many disabled teens in Jamaica are at a disadvantage in school and everyday life due to limited access to technology. But stakeholders are hopeful the gaps can be filled so that these Jamaicans can become independent. Karen Simpson reports.
Many disabled teens in Jamaica are unable to fully participate in school and society due to limited access to technology. A study by Professor Paul Golding of the University of Technology shows that when technology is available, it can transform lives.
If we just look at the non-disabled group here for a little, 94% smartphones, 75% desktop laptop, 74% tablets. And if you look at the other groups, you find, especially for the deaf students, they use less devices. 54% of them have a smartphone, 45% of a desktop, and tablets only 50%.
Even in media, Gary Allen has highlighted that reaching the disabled community can be expensive, leaving many behind.
It is a shortcoming, and I think that for true development and for us to be truly inclusive, especially of marginalized groups, then we have to get the technologies to address those components as well. So not enough so far, but much more to come, and the technologies are helping.
Cordell Green from the Broadcasting Commission emphasizes that digital inclusion is essential for national development.
We can't keep reacting to every new definition of a new technology the way we're doing it. But digital, media, and information literacy is the best and first line of defense for teachers, for students, and for parents. And things are going to get better.
Speaking at the Teen and Technology Report 2025 at the University of Technology, the men say targeted investment and inclusive policies are urgently needed to expand access. With the right support, technology can ensure that no teen is left behind and can participate fully in Jamaica's digital future.
We are here for all Jamaicans, and we're proud of our diversity. We have about 50 declared disabled students. I say declared because not everyone tells us that they have an issue. Some are physical, some are neurodiverse. We support them all to get through and get their degree.
Karen Simpson, TVJ News.
And we take another break now, but stay with us. More local stories when we come back.